In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize bullet points in PowerPoint so your slides look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a client project, properly formatted bullet points can make a huge difference in how your content is understood. I'll walk you through selecting your text, accessing the bullet settings, and adjusting indents to get perfect alignment. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the text you want to format. Bullet points are commonly used in content slides, where you're listing key ideas, steps, or important information. To begin customizing them, you need to select the text. Click and drag your mouse over the lines you want to apply bullets to. Or, if the bullets are already there, simply highlight the existing bulleted list. Make sure all the lines you want to adjust are selected, because any changes you make will apply only to the highlighted text. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab. The Home tab contains most of the basic text formatting tools, including font size, color, alignment, and paragraph settings. In the Paragraph section of the ribbon, you'll see the Bullets button. It usually looks like 3 small dots with lines next to them. Click on the Bullets icon to instantly apply default bullet points to your selected text if they aren't already applied. If your text already has bullets, you can still click the small drop-down arrow next to the Bullets icon. This opens up different bullet style options. Here you can choose from various symbol styles, such as solid circles, hollow circles, squares, or other preset designs. Simply click on the style you prefer, and PowerPoint will automatically update your list. If you want even more customization, click on Bullets and Numbering at the bottom of the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear where you can further personalize your bullet points. From here, you can change the size of the bullets relative to the text, adjust the color to match your presentation theme, or even select a completely different symbol. To use a custom symbol, click on Customize or Symbol, choose a font, and pick any character you'd like to use as a bullet. This is especially useful if you want branded icons or unique visual elements in your slides. Now let's talk about adjusting indents, which is a key step in making your bullet points look polished. Sometimes your bullets may appear too far from the margin, or the text may not align the way you want. To fix this, make sure your bulleted text is still selected. Then right-click on the selected text and choose Paragraph from the menu. In the Paragraph dialog box, you'll see indentation settings. You can control 2 main things here, the bullet position and the text indent. The bullet position determines how far the bullet symbol is from the left margin. The text indent controls how far the actual text sits from the bullet. Adjust these values slightly until the spacing looks balanced and clean. Small changes, even by a few points, can significantly improve readability. Another quick way to adjust indents is by using the ruler at the top of your slide. If you don't see the ruler, go to the View tab and enable it. On the ruler, you'll notice small markers that control the bullet and text indentation. Click and drag these markers left or right to visually adjust the alignment in real time. This method is fast and gives you immediate feedback. Once you're happy with your bullet style and indentation, click outside the text box to preview the final look. Your slide should now appear more structured and professional, with clearly aligned bullet points that enhance readability instead of distracting from it. And that's it. That's how to customize bullet points in PowerPoint by selecting your text, using the Home tab to apply and modify bullets, and adjusting indents for perfect alignment. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.